This car has a problem. Not starting. No function. Not working. First, read trouble codes. Scan. Oh no. No Kommunikation to ECU and EGS. Oh no. Oh, hiding fuses. Hiding more fuses. But first, disconnect battery. Check fuses. Okay. This bank, okay. Also okay. Everything okay. Now check this fuse box. Everything okay. Now check battery. Not that much. Reconnect. Connect booster for more power. Start. Now press the brake pedal and hold it. Now press this button and hold it. Now press start button and hold it for 5 seconds. Now check Verteiler. Power there. Okay. So ECU gets power. This is okay. Now try to start again. Perfect. Here is Wackelkontakt. Happy customer.